Shopping QuickBooks alternatives without a plan is how you end up paying for two systems and still closing late. Let's not do that. I'm a CPA and I review month-end files for a living, so I care what survives review, not what demos well. What you'll learn: your why for leaving QBO, must-have features versus nice to have, migration risk spots, a simple scoring method, main teaching step by step. Write your top 3 pain points: price, desktop versus cloud, multi-entity, inventory, approvals. Pick 3 candidates, common ones people compare: Xero, Zoho Books, FreshBooks, Wave, Sage. Run a 2-week parallel test on 1 month. Example 1. Contractor client wanted cheaper. Wave looked great until job costing plus WIP reporting became a spreadsheet festival. Example 2. Agency moved to Xero. Win until payroll plus billable expense mapping wasn't standardized. Reviewer notes: red flags, messy COA, unreconciled bank, manual AR, duplicate vendors. What reviewers check: bank rectize, AR aging support, AP detail to GL, payroll liability tie-out, sales stats payable tie-out. Docs that should exist: bank, POS statements, payroll reports, tax filings, major contracts. Checklist recap: define why switch, list must-haves, test 1 close period, confirm integrations, lock COA plus classes cracking, verify rec workflow, export audit trail, backups, price the real cost. If this sounds like your close process, you're not alone. Drop a comment with your industry and top pain point. Like plus subscribe if you want more CPA level walkthroughs.